Themba Makani. I work for the NCPC, National Cleaner Production Center of South Africa. What we do, we assist companies or manufacturing industries to be more efficient. By so saying, we assist other companies with being turning waste into resource. Like this broom here, if you see, it's a waste 2-liter bottles. Now it has been turned into a broom, and then like this one, it's a crushed waste bottles that were turned into a countertop. It's used to manufacture countertops, like your tombstones, all those things. And then this one, the paving bricks. Looks on the face value, it looks like a normal brick with cement and everything. However, this brick was manufactured from plastic, sand, and the secret binder only. No water, no cement, and all those other chemicals that are used to manufacture a normal brick. And then this one we call it an eco briquette. This one is environmentally friendly. It was manufactured from sawdust and ash, sawdust, and the secret binder, and it's environmentally friendly.
Ruva sense rikodilana na minukerero yoyo ngopambana minukerero ya makandela, minukerero ya diffusers, minukerero ya perfume. Riwana mangondi hama umera ndi une ezo zwithu zwa vhathu ko sikiwa hone une ra vari kutanganyisa ezo zwithu ra package zwa bva zwo fhelela ra dzhia ra risa vhathuni. Vhathu vha nga ri wana kha number phone dzine dza vha 078 363 6149. Vhathu vha nga dalela website ine ya vha www.sense.co.za. Ndi hone ra wana ra hone zwi chimbira nga uraro. Arali vha na mbudziso vha nga ḓivhudzisa mbudziso.
My name is Thulamela. I'm a fashion designer. The name of my brand is Papis Kusre. Kusre meaning sewing, right? I make crochet products just as the one that I'm wearing. I see a design and then I make it. What inspired me in doing this is because it's unique. If you check around, not everyone makes crochet this way, wearable like this. So I like it when I wear things, people look at me and be like, wow, that is beautiful. So that's what inspired me in starting. Yeah, you can see. All right, thank you.
Zina langa ndife ntangamandi wa ndive Tabakuru investment ina vana vaviri. Arali vasidzanga pasi apa kanto apo yongorore the division of Tabakuru investment chilimo. Una chilimo chine ka chilimo ri specialize ngoita dehydrated products, fruit and vegetable. Angeno kakano ri vari kuita tea. Zviyambori so far ava vana vaviri vane vavaone ndi kano na chilimo ndi vana va Tabakuru investment pty limited. Zvino hapa none rina the fruit and vegetable powders ndi chilimo. Hapa rina tea ine vadzopfi kano ine ivora under kano ri wana na chifuranani sorry man article chifuranani vasiya makete wa chifuranani ane pano ndi une company yavo yashu ihone ninge mara arali vathu vakunorenga around Thohoyandou vaya apa vanofika NHC coffee shop ya NHC hospital next to Town Mall ndi une vatakuona zvote zvine vakuzviona zvone zviapo zviyaningei vangari ka website yashu ndi www.chilimo.co.za vatakuona pricing yaone na vakaona order one online.
I'm a drone pilot and also a quantity surveyor. I came to this event, this business forum, to advocate for women in construction and also youth in tech. So I'm so excited. I'm part of the Blacks in Technology Network and also I'm part of the Pan-African Chamber of Commerce. So I'm so excited to see everyone here. Thank you.
My name is Tiga. It's at Papis Kusre. It's a clothing brand. I specialize in knitting wear and also fabrics. As you can see, evening gowns I design, and also every traditional attires I design. When you're wearing it, you're gonna feel like a boss, you're gonna feel like a queen. Everything is gonna be a top-notch design. So I would advise you, if you want to contact me, 065-974-2920. Thank you.
Hi everyone, from Product Process Mafaza. I process food, I process maheu, I process dried vegetables, I also process herbs. So maheu and dried vegetables were tested and approved by Limpopo Agro-Food Technologies to go to the market. So another thing that I do is that I'm an author. I have published 4 books so far, but right now the reason why I'm here is because I'm looking for investors for my maheu, for natural herbs, and for dried vegetables, which are already approved.
Gentlemen, number 1 and 3. Congratulations. Please enter your names, details. Thank you for participating. Please leave your details. Thank you, thank you. I think that's me. Program Director, back to you.
Thank you so much. My name is I'm an exhibitor. Today was the final day of our exhibition here at Thulamela, next to Tabanimo in Thoyandou. Well, I won, guys. Like, I won and I was happy. I won an opportunity to study with NWU Business School, of which I'm happy and proud of. Yes, and then we learned a lot of things, especially about business. Personally, I learned a lot of things that I never knew existed. I had so many opportunities that are gonna be given to us, which encouraged me in also up doing my game higher in the business space. Well, I'm a fashion designer. As you can see, I'm dressed in this lime green cover up. You can get me at 065-974-2920. I specialize in crocheting and also in fashion designing with fabrics. So any design that you can find online that you want to go on a date, you want to go on a gala dinner, I'm your girl. Thank you.
Hi everyone, the Product Process Mafaza Oima Opanda Habo. Attend conference ya AEEC. In here, it's all about entrepreneurship, Ghana business. They are mentoring us, they are doing workshops, they are telling us more about funding. So namusindi developers say kama do mararo era barashku attend on, and I'm so excited because I managed to win a scholarship NWU Northwest University. So I'll be studying online. I'll be doing the business course online. It is fully funded, so it's a scholarship. So I'm so excited because the lead developer said I managed to get something at last. Thank you so much, guys.